natin ang oven. Guys, magluluto tayo ngayon. Ayan, nasindihan na siya. Okay, painitin natin. Then, let's place the abakyo with potato. Hi, good morning guys. I'm here cooking the lamb with potato and onions. Potato, carrots, and onion. I will be roasting here in the oven. I'm just waiting this oven to be heated. And nakaluto na rin ng rice. Oh, okay na. Okay na yan. We are cooking today for lunch the lamb. This lamb is bought from SNR, and this cost us 525 and 57 centavos. It weighs 581 grams, and the price of this, the unit price is 899.95 per kilo. Guys, wow, medyo mahal siya, but we have to taste this once in a while, you know. So first thing to do is you prepare the what do you call that, the baking tray, the rectangle I have here. So just add a little of this oil, the olive oil. Wow, letter S, huh? Wow, perfectly done. I didn't intend it, but you know, galing. So spread the oil like that, and then put the lamb. Sarap, guys. See? Sarap ng lamb, guys. Arrange nga nating mabuti. Wow. Yan, ganyan. Nagaganyan-ganyanan. Oh. Sarap, guys. Isang slice nito ay very contented ka na. Busog ka na, guys. And then this meat is so tasty and it's very healthy. So I sliced carrots, 2 carrots, 4 potatoes, 4 pieces of potatoes, and 2 pieces of white onions. Here, this is white onions. I didn't show you how I peeled and sliced, but obviously it's just like this. Wedges. I did a slice of wedges. So here is my fresh rosemary. This will give the best aroma for this lamb. This is the best spices that we have here for this lamb. And here is the freshly crushed. I love to crush the pepper when I cook this lamb. And we love garlic. Look how many cloves we have here. 15 cloves. Oh my God. We love spicy foods, you know. And garlic is good to the health. Yeah. So here you are. Just add there like that. And then add all these ingredients here. Everything will be added here like that. And then the onions, of course. Just arrange like that. Just spread all over the tray, and then spread all over the tray the garlic, yeah, of course. And then the rosemary. These are rosemary leaves. They are fresh. See? Oh, so I just do the like this. Tut. How do you call that? You cannot see because I have only one hand, you guys. Sorry, guys. Trying hard to show you with only one hand. Okay? Ay, salamat. Nagsaklolo sa akin si Mr. Pogi. Oh, ang gwapo ng lakay ko, no? Yan. Ang bait pa. Yan. Like that, guys. Tut means, in Ilocano, tut means to what do you call this? To remove the leaves from the stems. That is tut. In Ilocano. I think that's enough. Okay, that's enough. And then, of course, the last part is the salt and pepper. Here you are. Oh, to let it taste, let's put the salt and pepper and do the mixing also like that. Guys, to let it taste. Pangit naman kung matabang, di ba? Like that, guys, but not salty, ha? Like that. Black pepper, ayan. And then the final touch, the olive oil, guys. Ayan. Oh, I love it. Oh, sarap, guys, no? Sarap. That will be masarap and aromatic. But guys, I will have to add 1/2 cup of water to let it liquefy so that it will tenderize. Okay, to tenderize the meat. Okay, the lamb. Okay, I will just add a little of the water. Yeah. Okay, and then you must have to wait for the oven to be heated. So now it's ready, I think. So we will now place the, can you please place, Papi? Place the lamb inside the oven. Okay. It's, wow. Yan. And I will show you later, guys. Maybe that will take 45 to 1 hour. Yeah, this will take 45 minutes to 1 hour. I mean, okay. Wow, ang ganda na. Wow, ang ganda, sarap. Ang gandang pang picture. Kumukulo-kulo pa siya, you see? Oh, kumukulo-kulo pa, oh. Wow. Ang sarap niya. This is lamb, guys. This is so yummy. Now it's done and we are going to eat now our lunch. It's already 2 o'clock p.m. So it's done and we will eat. And the smell is so I cannot explain the aroma. The aroma of this rosemary, the garlic, the chipotle, the potato, carrots, and oh my god, really, sarap, guys. Wow. Yeah. Okay, I will taste and I will show you how it tastes. No, I cannot show you how it tastes. I will just tell you how it tastes. Wow. Sana kukuha ng matikman. My god. Eh, mainit. Paano na ito? Kuha ka ng knife. Dyan. Yanin. Wow. Ang ganda, guys. Tender. Pag i-slice mo nga yan. Yan. Ang laki naman na yung knife mo. Vegetable knife talaga ang kinuha niya, guys. Wow. Ganda. Woo. But it's hot. It's tender, juicy and malinam na yan, yummy. Wow. Like Mikey Bustos said every time.
Mamma mia!
Wow,
Mamma
wow,
mia!
Yummy. Mapapapikit ka sa sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Okay. That's it. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this dish. Okay? Happy cooking. Okay, bye-bye.